The company that we had for our marketing project is Shoppers Drug Mart. Shoppers Drug Mart is a retail pharmacy chain that sells a variety of products. Most importantly, pharmaceuticals, both prescribed and non-prescribed, basic food products, hygiene products like soap and shampoo, and personal products, makeup, cleansers, etc. When diving into the current marketing strategy, we'll first look at product. Product at Shoppers Drug Mart revolves all around convenience. From drugs to any of your products, it can all easily be found at Shoppers. The small locations, relatively, make it much easier to find everything that you need quick and fast. Shoppers offers a variety of specialty services, most notably their beauty boutique that sells high-end makeup that's in a small area that's much easier to find, and Wellwise, which sells CPAP machines, braces, supports, anything that you need to support your physical health. Shoppers also has their own brands like Quo, Life Brand, that make it much easier for customers to identify with Shoppers brand. Next, diving into price. Shoppers is known for their relatively high prices with everything that they sell. Now, high prices are unfortunately associated because of their convenience factor. When it's convenient, it's much easier for a company to charge higher prices. Now, one might think, if they're charging so much, then isn't this a competitive advantage for their competitors? The answer to this is not really. Although Shoppers does have some competitors, they really don't have anything that is competing too head-on, which just makes it easier for shoppers to charge whatever price they want, essentially. Next, we'll look at Place. Now, Place is all about distribution tactics and marketing channels. So when looking at their distribution, Shoppers Drug Mart is considered a conventional distribution system because their producers and their wholesalers work independently of one another. Now, Place-wise, Shoppers has over 1,300 stores in Canada and over 600 alone in Ontario. This really doesn't need to be said, but with 600 stores, they're very known and it's much easier for their consumers to get a hold of it. And I mean, just look at Windsor. We have more than 4 locations. Shoppers also has independent stores. One might think that, oh, Shoppers, it's just Shoppers Drug Mart, but that's not the case. They also have independent stores like Shoppers Simple Pharmacy that is located in different medical buildings and clinics, and they sell pharmaceutical products. Shoppers also has the retail chains that associated with Place. So these are things like Pharmaprix, Wellwise, and Murale that just help with their Place strategy. Lastly, we'll look at promotion. So when looking at promotion, the most important thing to consider is their target audience. With Shoppers Drug Mart, especially because they sell drugs and pharmaceutical products, their target market is older people. Now, one thing in general that they do promotion-wise to target the older generation is at-home delivery of medication. When you think of at-home delivery, the best way to describe it is convenience. But it's not just convenience for older people, it's convenience because it works for everybody. Shoppers also has their Optimum card, which is a point-based system that you can redeem at a later date. But the brilliant part about their Optimum card is that it keeps customers coming in and they have to keep returning if they want to be able to use it. After looking at the current marketing strategy, we can now look at recommendations. With recommendations, our 2 most important things are just keep doing what works. Shoppers knows the right tactics, promotion-wise, place-wise, but especially price-wise, to keep their customers coming back. It might also be beneficial for Shoppers Drug Mart to broaden their target market. The older generation isn't the only market that's out there, and it might help shoppers if they broaden their market to the younger generation as well. Thank you.